We don't do like frappuccinos here?
We do caramel cappuccinos, and then we have like assorted Americanos. You do know what an Americano is, don't you?
Yeah, I know.
Good, good. You are gonna be a barista soon enough.
Awesome.
Make me proud.
Are you Emily Fields?
Yes?
I called your house and your mom said that you worked here. I'm Maya's cousin, Nate. You have time to talk?
I'm sorry, it's my first day here, so can I call you later?
Yeah, anytime. I'll give you my number. I live here now.
In Rosewood?
Just started at Hollis.
Maya never mentioned she had a cousin coming to Hollis.
Well, I applied, but I hadn't gotten in yet when she was... I was actually really looking forward to hanging out with her again.
Emily, go time.
Talk to you soon.
Green tea latte drinkers. Yeah, so get the gluten-free biscottis going.
Gluten-free biscottis.